Today we are going to learn names of birds. Let's start with canary. C for canary. Cardinal. C for cardinal. Cock. C for cock. Cockatoo. C for cockatoo. Crane. C for crane. Crow. C for crow. Dove. D for dove. Duck. D for duck. Eagle. E for eagle. Falcon. F for falcon. Flamingo. F for flamingo. Hawk. H for hawk. Hen. H for hen. Hummingbird. H for hummingbird. Kingfisher. K for kingfisher. Macaw. M for macaw. Ostrich. O for ostrich. Owl. O for owl. Parrot. P for parrot. Peacock. P for peacock. Pelican. P for pelican. Penguin. P for penguin. Pigeon. P for pigeon. Quail. Q for quail. Sparrow. S for sparrow. Stork. S for stork. Swan. S for swan. Toucan. T for toucan. Turkey. T for turkey. Vulture. V for vulture. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.